Okay, let's go.
What comes to mind when you hear the word rich? Is it the tech billionaire flying private? The quiet investor next door with no debt and a fat retirement account? Or maybe it's the flashy influencer living in a rented mansion. Truth is, rich people are not all the same. In fact, once you look closely, you'll start to notice patterns. There are types. And understanding these types not only helps you learn how wealth is built, but also how it's lost. So today, let's break down 5 types of rich people you'll meet in the real world. Each comes with their own mindset, strengths, and blind spots. And by the end of this video, you'll know which one you want to become and which to avoid at all costs. Let's get into it. 1. The earn and burn rich. This is the person who makes a lot of money and spends all of it. Think athletes, entertainers, or entrepreneurs who hit it big fast but don't manage it well. They buy the cars, the watches, the 5 homes in 5 countries. On paper, they look wildly successful. But behind the scenes, cash flow problems, no savings, no plan. This type is often driven by validation. They didn't just want to be rich, they wanted to look rich. The problem? Wealth doesn't grow when it's constantly leaking. What can we learn? High income means nothing without high discipline. Earning power is great, but real wealth is about what you keep. 2. The silent millionaire. You've probably met one and didn't even know it. This person drives a used Toyota, wears modest clothes, and maybe even clips coupons. But they own their house outright. Their investments are on autopilot. Their net worth is high, but their lifestyle is low-key. These are the people who read The Millionaire Next Door and took it to heart. They're frugal, focused, and long-term thinkers. They don't flex. They don't care about status. Their money is a tool, not a trophy. This type reminds us that wealth isn't always loud. Sometimes the richest people are the quietest in the room. 3. The legacy builder. This person isn't just stacking cash. They're building something that outlives them. Maybe it's a family business, a charitable foundation, or a portfolio designed to provide for generations. Legacy builders think in decades. They ask questions like, how will my money impact others? How can I teach my kids to handle this responsibly? They invest not just in assets, but in values. The big lesson here? If your wealth doesn't have a purpose, it won't last. Legacy isn't about ego, it's about impact. 4. The sudden success. This is the startup founder who exits at 28, the lottery winner, the crypto investor who bought the right token at the right time. They go from zero to millions almost overnight. Now some handle it well. They pause, plan, and build wisely. Others spiral fast. Sudden wealth can be like fire. It can warm your life or burn it down, depending on how you manage it. This type teaches us the importance of emotional maturity. Wealth that comes fast can disappear just as fast if your mindset hasn't caught up. 5. The passive income master. This person may not be rich by traditional income standards, but they've cracked the code on freedom. Real estate, dividends, royalties, automated businesses, whatever the method, their money works harder than they do. Passive income masters optimize, automate, and reinvest. They value time over bling. Their version of rich isn't about net worth. It's about lifestyle design. What can we learn? Wealth is about more than a number. It's about building a life you don't need a vacation from. So, which one are you becoming? Here's the thing. You don't have to fit neatly into one category. The best path? Take the discipline of the silent millionaire, the vision of the legacy builder, and the systems of the passive income master, while avoiding the traps of the earn and burn and the chaos of sudden success. Personal finance isn't one size fits all, but it is learnable. If this gave you a new lens to see wealth through, consider liking the video and subscribing for more grounded financial wisdom. And in the comments, tell me, which type of rich person do you aspire to be? Thanks for watching, and remember, money doesn't change who you are, it reveals it. So build wisely.